Welcome to the Indiana Farmer. Hello everybody, I'm the Indiana Farmer and thank you for joining me. I'm sure many of you are curious about how the coronavirus is affecting us farmers. Well, we've been pretty much in a lockdown. One thing, the seed corn and fertilizer and stuff like that, it got slowed down a little bit, but things are kind of going out again. One of the bigger things that I have going on is the fact that where I sell my corn, they aren't taking very much. And that's an issue right now. But as far as this vlog goes, I had actually a couple guests I was going to interview for seed technology, and that still may happen. But nobody wants to breathe on each other right now, so we canceled that. So I thought I would show you what we do here in early spring. So today we're going to continue doing maintenance on some of this spring tillage and spring planters. You can see this is one of our tractors, the 7810 John Deere, and this is our bean planter. For those who don't know, it's a 15-inch row planter, so that means every 15 inches virtually you're planting seed. So just a couple things I noticed. We just got it out and hooked it up, and as you can see, it got cleaned off okay last year, but there are some broken pieces here. One here, some of the springs, and that just happens from wear and tear, but probably hit some rocks out in the field or something like that. So we're going to clean it out, try to get it started, and make sure everything works. Maybe we're going to definitely grease it up as well. One thing I did notice is over here is a lot of this here is really messy. As you can see, mice were in it, so it didn't look like it got cleaned out all the way from last fall. And just changed the oil just recently. Just a lot of preventative maintenance, that type of thing. Just try to get things ready. We've had it for about 5 years. It's been a pretty good planter. I like the convenience of the center fill, or center dump. We can put about 80 units in. I don't know if you're supposed to put that many in, but we can fit that many in, and it's pretty nice. So at our seeding rate, I usually plant about 140,000. It's can do about 80 acres then that way. To get these off, you gotta take this off, and there's a bolt right here, and put these back on to get that. So what that does is it keeps that on the ground. Said my favorite part is that you're struggling. All right, Drew, start it up. we're in the tractor in the 7810. It's not time to plan or anything yet, but we're just seeing if things work. The air system works. We're gonna just run some beans through. I think it's working. I'm not 100% sure. We'll see. We'll see. All right, let's see how my oldest son Christian did. He got not too bad. Not too bad. He gets a little gold star. Got that 9120 done. We'll eventually get that hooked up to the field cultivator. All right, we're gonna change the shovels. Some of them got worn out from last year. My son is unfolding it. Obviously, he doesn't know what he's doing. That's okay. That's how you learn. And always remember to put on the safety. Safety is right here. Shut it off. Turn the key backwards. So we have to go through each shovel like this. This one isn't too bad. Yeah, I don't know, it's pretty cool. As you can see, some of them will even start wearing holes right here and right here. But here, this is no wear so bad. But there's a new one. So, Drew and Christian are going to start taking off shovels. And we'll put some new ones on and get this ready. Yeah, this is how you do it. You put that little tool in, bang it off. Get a new one, Christian. And you just push that. About half. About half of them. Yeah.
Little more, little less.
I won't mention any names, but somebody likely bent the harrow. Oh, the other way. Just push it down. Phoenix, get out of the way. You can tell somebody's
Been rough on it?
been rough on it. Oh, come on, baby. Let's get a new end.
Come back to Indiana Farmer to see how Aaron gets a new end.
I'm gonna get you a new end. Yeah, I'm gonna try to. Sometimes you bend them, then sometimes you just cut them off. Not proud of it, but I cut it off. Hey, thank you everybody. I'm the Indiana Farmer, and thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. I appreciate it. We'll talk to you soon. Stanley, would you like to say hi? Say hi, Stanley. It's your big chance, Stan, my man. Oh, Stanley, don't run. Stanley, you missed it. You missed it again, Stanley.